ensuring that less waste ends up in landfills. By improving the sorting process, we can increase recycling rates and reduce environmental impact. And that's just the beginning. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative solutions for managing our waste and protecting our planet.
AI isn't just a futuristic dream. It's already making a difference in waste management today. Cities around the world are implementing AI-powered solutions to make their waste management systems smarter and more efficient. Take smart bins, for example. These high-tech trash cans use AI to monitor waste levels and optimize collection routes. This means garbage trucks don't waste time and fuel on half-empty bins. And then there are robot recyclers. These AI-powered machines can sort through mountains of waste much faster and more accurately than humans, pulling out valuable materials for recycling.
Section 4, Beyond Recycling, AI's Role in Reducing Waste. You know, AI's role in waste management goes beyond just sorting and recycling. It's about creating a smarter, more efficient system that can adapt to our needs. It can also help us reduce waste in the first place. For instance, AI can predict waste generation patterns and suggest ways to cut down on unnecessary waste. Imagine an app that analyzes your shopping habits and suggests ways to reduce your food waste. This app could notify you when food is about to expire, helping you consume it in time. Or, how about AI-powered systems in factories that optimize production processes to minimize waste generation? These systems can monitor production lines in real time, making adjustments to reduce material waste. These are just a few examples of how AI can help us rethink our relationship with waste. By integrating AI into our daily lives, we can make more informed decisions that benefit both us and the environment. By understanding our consumption patterns and identifying areas for improvement, AI can empower us to make more sustainable choices. It's about creating a future where waste is minimized and resources are used more efficiently.
Section 5. A cleaner future. The potential of AI in waste management. The future of waste management is looking brighter thanks to AI. With its ability to analyze data, optimize processes, and automate tasks, AI has the potential to revolutionize how we deal with waste.
Imagine a world with cleaner streets, healthier oceans, and a significantly smaller environmental footprint. This is the future that AI can help us create.
It's time to embrace the power of AI and work towards a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. Let's make waste a thing of the past.